Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Octoling in octopus form from Splatoon. So to start with, he's going to have a big giant head and some tentacles. Just like so. There we go. All right, here we are. Octoling. So to start with, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna draw a curvy line like so. And then I'm gonna draw another curvy line that matches up. And then it's gonna come down and back around. And then I'm gonna draw a line coming up by this. And it's gonna come back and around. All right, then I'm gonna draw a curvy line here. So like this is the inside of the eye, and another circle here, and a whole circle there. And then I'm gonna draw a line that comes down over here and back up. And then I'm gonna draw part of a circle there and part of another circle there. All right, so this is all black through here. Yep, black all through there. And I'll blacken that with my crayon. All right, now we're gonna draw the first big tentacle. So that's gonna be like an S. And then I'm gonna come over here and draw like a C. And then I'm gonna come back here and draw kind of a wiggly line like this. And another wiggly line like that. And then I'm gonna come up here, draw another line, kind of like a V, but it's like kind of curvy. All right, then I'm gonna come over here and draw another tentacle. And then I'm gonna come back here and draw another S. And then it's gonna come around like that. And I'm gonna carry this line down a little bit. Nice. I'm gonna put some patterns on this to make it a little more interesting. Maybe yours will have patterns, maybe not. And we could, you know, draw some little suction cups and stuff, but I guess for this character, no. All right, and he is underwater. Here's the sea floor. Here's some little fish swimming around. Oh. Why not put a third one here? We'll overlap it. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you for watching.